Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Vapin Minuteman e-liquid reviews. Today's is Man of War by Jolly Fogger, so stick around and I'll see you in just a couple minutes. Okay, guys, welcome back. Like I said, today is an e-liquid review of Jolly Fogger's Man of War. Now, Man of War, it is supposed to be a black cherry with ice cream. I'm going to tell you right now, you know what, let's not even talk about it until we flip down to the blackboard. And I will tell you, this is my second time recording this, so I do already have the grading on the screen. So let's go ahead and flip over and I'll explain more. Okay, when I started recording this, I did not realize I got all the way to the end. My mic was not recording. So we're going to talk a little bit about it. For flavor, I'm going to give it a 2. The reason being is that black cherry is very strong, very medicinal. Black cherry is hard not to get to be very medicinal. And I find this especially through my DIY. It is very hard to not get medicinal. My guess is they're using the same cherry in this as they use in that Okotoks or Cerakote Island. Because I could not hardly taste it, which is weird. But in this one, it is so strong, so on the forefront, because it doesn't have all those other flavors on top of it that Cerakote Island had. If you like cherry, this is a good vape for you. If you like a good black cherry. As you see, decent clouds for a 70-30. Very decent. I'm using my Dead Rabbit on my Limitless 200 watt. Now let's go ahead and we'll look at the show off and I'll show you the label. Same as all the others. Very simple labeling. Everything on there is nice. I have to give that, as normal, for this line, a 4 for labeling. Now, cost, again, it's 43 cents a mil for a 60 mil. Do I agree with that? No. That's why cost is down to a 3. I've debated whether moving that to a 2, but I really think a 3 is fair, given that 20 to 30 gets an actual 4 to 4.5, 30 to 40, 45, somewhere in that area, normally will get a 3. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a 3, just to be fair. Now, all this comes together for a 3.25 average. If I had nothing else around, would I want to buy that? Well, let's click up to the main screen and we'll talk about that and see what we think. Okay. Now, personally, I would not pay 43 cents a mil for this e-liquid. Personally. But, flavor is very subjective. It's according to the consumer. If you like a nice, strong cherry vape, then this could very well be the vape for you. But if you don't like a strong cherry, but you like having cherry, this may not be the vape for you. Now, you can get these over there at Revolution Vapor, like I said, for $25.99, I believe it is. Yes, $25.99 a 60 mil. And they did send these for review, but as I've always told you guys, I always do this with honesty and integrity. And personally, I would not purchase it. But that is all left up to you guys. As always, don't forget, sign up for CASA. You know, you can always go over there and find out anything you need to find out about when it comes to vaping as a consumer. Yeah, come over, join my Vaporium. We'd love to have you. And as always, guys, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Oh, wait a minute. Last time I had a draw hit. So I'm going to drip just a little bit in there before I take a vape. As always, guys, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Yeah, baby. See you in just a little bit. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the two boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.